Hello my rockers! Today I'm going to show you a really nice community and to be honest, one of my favorite one. I'm talking about Tramonti. Tramonti is part of Pueblo Bonito community, so that means that living here in Tramonti Phase 1, you will have access to the beach club and also to the private golf course made by Jack Nichols. Tramonti is located in Cabo Corridor in the Santa Carmela area. That means that you have really nice view to the ocean that no one is going to take you from you because everything is built in front of this condo. You have to know that this community is all sold out. So today I'm going to show you two condos that just came to the market. They are so beautiful. That's why I have to say thank you to Yoti Garcia from owning Cabo to letting me in. So without much to say, I'm going to leave you with a tour and then we'll be back. I'm going to talk more about Tramonti. Okay, are you ready? Here we go! That was amazing, right? Yeah, as I told you, Tramonti is one of my favorite ones. Tramonti, as I told you, is part of the world of Pueblo Bonito. Also, the location is pretty nice because you are next to Home Depot, but also you are next to Fresco, that is a really nice supermarket. Right here, there's another nice supermarket that called Santa Carmela, a nice coffee. 10 minutes to Santa Maria Bay and Chileno Bay, 15 minutes to the marina. From San Jose, you're only about 25 minutes from there, so the location is pretty good. You have everything in front of you already built. So that amazing, beautiful view that you just fell in love with is gonna be there for the lifetime. For those two, it's already built, you can enjoy it already. One is running as an Airbnb right now, that they're getting a really good income. As you can see, the material that they use right over there, are amazing. This is a luxury community. Also, one of the things that is great in Tramonti are the amenities. Right now, I'm on the gym. I don't know how to use any of those machines, but it looks pretty nice. Look at the pool, it's amazing. I've been there many times because, as you know, well, you don't know, but my brother-in-law just lives here. Hi, Manny, thank you for letting me get into your pool. You can go rowing Tramonti. As I told you, those two units, one is for $499, $100,000, and the other one is for $479, $100,000. There are two big differences between each other. One is on the second floor, on the one on the third floor. One has a bigger terrace. That is only the real difference. And the furniture, as you can see, one is ready to go. The other one, it needs a little bit love, but you can customize as your own. Thank you so much for watching this. I am Cesar Conchas, your rocker agent. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if you really like it. I'm gonna answer any comments that you have about it. I'm gonna let you the whole information about this property, all the MLS and all the material and stuff. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Cesar, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, there's stairs over there.